Does this sound familiar to you? The maintenance of your mobile robots is coming up and you have been searching for quite a while for the right instructions, the right checklists, and the right materials and tools. Most of the time, documents and information are completely distributed in different places, both digital and analog. This complicates the entire process, makes it error-prone, and ensures a high level of manual effort and associated costs. Often these documents, even if digital, are difficult or impossible to access, let alone proactively. This passive, manual process leads to the fact that no measurability is possible and also no optimization potentials are uncovered with it. Such an inventory process often results in high operational downtime. This leads to costs, manual effort, and many other challenges in the operation of mobile robot fleets. Today, we will show you how to digitize and automate your maintenance with the care module of the WAKU platform. This way, we achieve reliable and efficient operation of your robot fleet. I'm Leo Kessner, product expert at WAKU Robotics, and together with our customers, I develop solutions for the use of AGVs and AMRs in warehouses. Let's go! To create an automated and highly efficient maintenance strategy, we first need an overview of all our equipment. For this purpose, we use our device overview, where we can see the devices, the manufacturer, the model, as well as the place of use. How to create such a device list and manage the devices is shown in another video. You can find the link in the description. As soon as all devices are stored on the WAKU platform, it's time for step number 2, the checklists or work templates. With the work templates, you create a standardization in the process and ensure an exchange of experience and knowledge in the team. A McKinsey study says that in America, among the 500 largest companies, only 1 in 2 has a strategy for the exchange of experience within the team. As a result, several billion euros are lost every year. Through lost information, no knowledge exchange, duplicated work, and through information and data that is simply no longer available. With the WAKU platform, we avoid this. In your workspace, you will find all previously created checklists under the item Work Templates, and also have the chance to create new ones. To do this, we create a new checklist, assign a title, for example, monthly check, and a description. When the basic framework of the work template is created, individual work steps can be added. These always consists of a title, a description, for example, cleaning the robot housing. In the description, either individual sub-steps, information on the use of certain cleaning products, or other notes can be recorded. Once the work step has been created, it can be enriched with images, videos, PDFs, or other files. These are available to the colleague on site during the execution and given interactive guidance. As soon as all the work steps are created, they can still be exchanged in the sequence. Of course, adjustments can also be made to the checklist over time. As a final step for the maintenance strategy, we now connect the work template with a timetable. To do this, we go to the menu item, Schedules. There we see already created schedules, and of course we have the chance to create a new one. A new schedule always consists of a title and an associated work template. For example, we can now set the checklist we just created to a monthly frequency. Just apply monthly robot check on the just created monthly checklist. A schedule consists of 4 main elements. First, the work template that actually needs to be done. Second, the list of devices that are affected. Third, the responsible colleague. Here you choose a colleague who will be informed in advance about an upcoming maintenance, for example by email. And fourth is the schedule itself. Here you define a rule when the respective work schedule is necessary. Besides date-based schedules, you can also create usage-based schedules with the WAKU platform. More on this topic in a later video. Once the maintenance strategy is set up, the responsible person receives a notification, whether by email, SMS or by another tool. With the care module, maintenance appointments are never forgotten again. During the execution of a maintenance process, the responsible employee can access all the relevant information about the device and the current task at any time. Guided maintenance supports a smooth and efficient maintenance process, thus minimizing manual effort and reducing downtime. It also creates a standardization and digital documentation of what has actually been done. During maintenance, videos, notes or other documents can also be attached. These field reports are then accessible to every colleague and also document what has happened to the equipment in a sustainable and audit-compliant manner. The exchange between robot users, manufacturers, integrators and service partners is also possible in a digital and easy way on the WAKU platform. All parties work on the same robot data, have simple digital communication channels, and a collaborative tool which saves effort and time and costs. The final step of successful maintenance strategy is data-based evaluation. With the WAKU platform and our intelligent algorithms, we provide you with the insight into the actual maintenance needs, the failure rates of the robots, the availability and stability of the fleet, and of course an evaluation of the manual efforts. It's the only way to get cost-effective control of your service team. A study has shown that digital work management based on data can generate 30 to 50% cost savings and ensure more effective and operational deployment. This was just one of our many powerful features of the WAKU platform. With it, we enable your company to effectively deploy AMRs and AGVs. For more interesting videos on traffic management, alerting, analytics and LiveMap, check out our WAKU Robotics YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. You can find more exciting content on our social media channels in the video description.